Welcome everyone. Today's video will be a short and quick one, but very important because we'll make some small improvements to our stealth system as well as a few fixes. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we'll do is fix a bug I found in our AI. When it stops chasing the player, a bug happens that makes it go back to the player and then back to its previous path in an infinite loop, which creates something like a glitch in its movement. To fix this, we go to the AI controller as usual, and as you can see here, I already fixed the bug. What I did was very simple, nothing complex. I just added a new sequence here. I connected the first pin like it was originally, and the other output I connected to a delay. After the delay, I connected it to a reset for the do once node that I added here, as you can see. That's it. And then, after each delay here, I added a condition to make sure that the player must still be chased by the AI before completing the repathing back to the player. And that's all for this part. Now, for the other bug, let's see. Yes, the issue is that the trace check from behind sometimes doesn't work when the AI is at certain angles. To fix this, what we'll do is add the AI character here and change the condition. We'll set it to less than or equal to -1. Good, but before we test it, let's also improve the AI's reactions. We'll do this exactly for the very first time it sees us. We don't want the AI to instantly chase us. Instead, we want it to become cautious of us first, and only after 1 or 2 seconds it should start chasing, after it confirms seeing us. Okay, to do this, we'll create a custom event called logic C player in the first time. We'll add a Boolean variable called active. Then we add a small delay, stop the AI's movement, and start increasing the warning level. We don't want the warning level to go beyond 1 because that would cause errors, so we'll clamp its value using clamp float. Also, we'll make sure the warning is activated. Then, if the AI doesn't confirm seeing the player, we'll add logic to return to its previous path and turn off the warning. Alright, let's add this logic. First, we separate the condition for not seeing the player and keep it by itself. Then we add another condition. If the player is seen once and is not being chased, we trigger the see player in the first time logic. After a delay variable called time to check, let's set it to 2 for now, we check again. If the player is not seen, we just run the not seeing player logic simply by setting the Boolean active to false. But if the player is seen, we increase the warning level up to the maximum. Let's test it now. Wait, something is off. Okay, I think I understand why. Let me try to fix it and get back. Alright, I'm back. I found the problem and also the solution. First, change the order of the conditions here. Check first whether the player is being chased or not. This way, the warning widget will remain visible above the AI if it's still chasing the player. Also, change the check here from greater or equal to less or equal. That's the only change here. As for the logic here, let's add some more tweaks. First, we'll add a do once node here. Then, from this logic, we'll reset the do once. Also, from reset all, we'll add a new pin, and through it, we'll reset the do once again. In short, if the AI didn't confirm seeing the player, it will recheck the next time it spots them. And if it does confirm and chases the player, it will recheck again once it stops chasing. That's all. I also found another bug that needs fixing in our warning logic. We need to make sure the player is not being chased here. Finally, let's go to AI perception. Cite and remove the variable current target from here. And that's all for the fixes. Let's test it now. Yes, it works well without extra issues. Now, let's play a bit with the time to check value until we find the best value for us. That was everything for this video. In the next video, we'll start building the AI distraction system where the player can pick up certain items and throw them to distract the AI. So the next video will be a bit longer since we'll learn how to build a simple pickup system, a throwing system, and make the AI move toward the sound source. As always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.